Last week was confusing as hell, I'm not gonna lie. But that's why I like every end of the week. It shows the directional bias, or it shows like the general outlook of what happened during the week. Because last week I was like changing bias from sell to buy because it was not giving. That's the thing, it wasn't giving. So I was looking at this guy. First of all, I was looking at this guy as a change of character. I remember I wrote like, if you watch the previous video, I said this guy was a break of structure. Now looking at this, it's a short-term low, right? The intermediate short-term low, that's a low between two low, that's this low and this low. Now look at this. I draw my Fibonacci, it wasn't up to the 62%, and gold normally like to do deep retracement. So that means this was just an inducement. So it was not even a change of character here to like continue to sell, blah blah blah. It was just an inducement that price created, right? Now that's for this guy. Now price retraced into this demand zone, couldn't close below this low. So that tells you there is a high demand, high amount of buyers present here in the market. So this is the demand zone, right? And this is an inducement because I was looking at this guy as maybe a change of character, but no, it's just an inducement. So let me delete this guy. Now I drew my fib from this low to this high. Price reacted off the 62%, you can see, right? Now I started buying. Inducements or LIT or whatever before buying. At least there was a liquidity sweep before buying. Now this is a daily time frame. I want to make this video short. So it's a daily time frame, and I think I'm going to stop at 1 hour because you can see price be along for this range from here to this side. You can see that price didn't create enough fair value gap, like enough like volume imbalance, just like this CBA, just like this massive engulfing candle. You can see how price was just like mitigating their losses along the way, right? Now that tells you price has done whatever business they want to do this side. I don't know, maybe they might come back, who knows, but this is price delivering their price to on the old high, because once price start to deliver, once they are selling, I mean, they're delivering their price on the old low. That's why I see they started selling, they deliver this price on this price here on the old low. Now they are buying. Of course, they're going to take out profitable sellers. So now it's liquidity sweep, right? Now inducement, this demand zone retested, mitigation block here. So next week, what I'm just looking, I just want to be just want this thing to be as simple as anything. Next week, what I'm looking for is just price to create. First of all, I've seen an inducement, right? But I still want another one there that's closer to this my fair value gap here. So what I'm looking for is it's like this, and to the upside. I like the fact that I'm even seeing a Judah swing. That means accumulation, which is consolidating, then manipulation to the downside, then push to the upside. So I can see two break of structure, one here, then one here. So price took out two swing high, because this is a strong high because it took out this low, and this is also a strong high because it took out this low here. So yeah, see, took out this low, so it's a strong high. So price took out two significant high for then broke structure. So obviously what I'm looking for next week is just price to like do a mitigation, an inducement, create an inducement, then it tests on this demand zone or bullish order block or a support zone to the upside. Easy. That's it for gold. I don't want to make too much analysis so that I won't bore you. So yeah, because I was looking at this CB last week, and normally CB I always feel the body candle, not fair value gap. You just stop and you move with wick. But CB normally we feel CB with body candle. That means price is obviously gonna like feel this stuff to get. So that's it for gold. And for BTC, same thing I'm looking at. Okay, let me go on daily time frame. You can see price for the Fibonacci, right? Price reacted off the 62%, just like we did on gold. For the 4 hours, we had an mitigation on this fair value gap, right? Then push up to the other side, then we had a break of structure. So currently, what I'm looking, maybe this demand zone, this demand zone here. So today's Saturday. At least it will be easier for BTC before Monday to react on this demand zone or to reach here. Else, I'll just go with this up one here because price has done their mitigation here, even with this week here. So like the BPR or whatever. So price has done a mitigation here, mitigation like 3 times. So that means maybe I'll just be looking for this guy. I'll be looking at that guy, I mean. So looking at the 1 hour, you can see on the 1 hour is clean, no fair value gap here. So they've done their business. And maybe this guy. But to be honest, I don't think price. I don't know, because I'm not the market maker. But we are looking to buy as this, or maybe I started buying. And one thing the mistake I do on my video is maybe I just like stick to one. I won't say stick. Maybe I just give one outlook. Now, if you watch the first video, I said what makes you a good trader is the ability for you to change bias. Now this is the demand zone, and I'm looking for buys. But something can still happen because I'm not the market maker. Just like I said, you can still price can still like break this demand zone, then retest, start to sell. So if I'm saying I want to buy, I'm still looking for sales. Do you understand? So now that I'm saying I want to buy BTC, but I'll still be looking for sales too. Like if price break my demand zone, like these two demand zone, what else will I be looking for? I will not be like sticking to one bias. No, that doesn't make me. There's no emotions. Like I'm not. At the end of the day, it's to make money. Do you understand? So I'm not like saying okay, I must buy. No, that doesn't make me a good trader. So that's it for BTC. Like I said, I'm looking for buys there. Then remember last week on the video I talked about NAS100 saying I'm buying obviously on Monday. Price started buying Monday, right? Created an inducement retracement into this demand zone, started buying again. Now created a new demand zone here. So obviously what I'm looking for next week is just for price to react on this demand zone to the upside. Easy, because we had a break of structure here. This was a swing high because for this high took out like this low. Yeah. Do you understand? Yeah, so this high took out this low. So maybe Monday price might just close above this high, then do a retracement into this demand zone, then to the upside. So this is what I'm waiting for to happen on Monday. Next week, rather. Let me not even say on Monday. Because what I'm looking at is demand zone, add a liquidity sweep. Add a liquidity sweep on the both sides, the downside and the upside. So that's it for NAS100. Yeah. So it's this 4 hours. Let me go on 1 hour. Okay, clean. See, sweep, just like how gold did. Too high. 1, 2, 5, 3, 7. So that's a valid zone. Do you understand? Now I might refine this stuff, maybe using this breaker block here. Then price just like retest on this zone. But I know price is going to react on this fair value gap. You might not use this demand zone here, like this fully short block is supposed to, but at least inside this zone or just draw your fib, right? Draw your fib. Draw your fib from just find a zone below the 62%. So easy. So yeah, that's it for NAS100. And I'm going to clear this thing because it looks so mixed up now. So basically what I'm just looking for, so I don't like my chart being so messed up. So I'm just looking for buys on this zone. So anything below this side, I'll be looking for buys next week. Now it's 10 minutes. Let me just rush and make the XY. Now, as of last week, I think as of last week, price created a volume imbalance, then filled it on Tuesday, created another one again on Thursday, filled it on Friday. So we are done. Like this is a change of character. This is a 4 hours change of character. We had a break of structure to the upside here. And my moving average is above. So that one is another confluence guy. This moving average is like my baby. Do you understand? So we had a liquidity sweep on both sides, up and down. So this is like a change of character. So because why would I say this and not this? Because if I draw my fib, I think price retraced deeply on the zone. See, even closer to 78%. So yeah. So we've done a retracement here. This mitigated this fair value gap. So this was the last fair value gap price created on 4 hours. Then they did a retracement, use this week to week base, then to the downside. So yeah. So next week we are bearish for DXY. So trades safely, be safe, and apply proper risk management. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there.